Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add different types of animated effects in the mouse cursor of Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the App Store and just search for focus cursor. Now you'll see on the first list focus cursor, just click on it. Now click on get to download and install it. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will ask you some permissions. Just click on this open settings. Now you can see the focus cursor. Just turn it on. Now put your Mac computer password. Click on this modify settings. Now just quit and reopen. Now finally you can see the various options. So on the first list you will see here mouse mask. So if you enable it, so you can see here it will dim the entire screen. Just it will highlight the mouse since it's a mouse husk, and if you can use the flashlight mode if you want just like a torchlight, then you can use it like this also. If you don't like, then you can just click on this reset, then you can store it back. And if you want to disable it, then just click on this tick mark to disable it, and below is a mouse down. So if you enable it, so here you can see a pedals effect. So if you left click on your Mac computer mouse, so you can see here even you can change the different effects. So you can see here different effects, bubble effects. So you can see here, so tons of options here you can select depending upon your needs. And next option is a mouse flow. Just enable it. Now you will see here, you can see a mouse trails animated effects as you can see here showing up. So even you can select the different options here depending upon which option you want here, and below there are more options, so you can adjust depending upon your needs here. And next option is a drawing board. You can use the entire screen as a drawing board. You can draw anything, whatever you want to write. And even there is various options if you want to add here. And if you want to disable this option, then just press escape key on your Mac computer keyboard, and it will get disabled. And below there are more options like my apps, and next to it is a journal. So if you want this application always to run, then you can just enable this launch at login, then this application will auto start once you turn on your Mac computer. And last one is about this applications. So these are the options you will gonna get inside this applications. So if you don't like, then you can just disable all the options, then the entire animated effects will get this up. So by using this cool application, you can easily add different types of animated effects in the mouse cursor of Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.